So hey everyone, in this video we will see how to fix PS5 online status unknown, PSN status, DNS and reboot solution. So fix 1 is check PSN status. Open setting, go to network, check if other online features are working. Visit the official PSN status page to see if there is an outage. Second fix is manual profile refresh. Press the PS button on your controller to open the control center. Navigate to your profile, change your online status to appear offline. Change your online status back to online. Third fix is power cycle your console and router. Turn off your PS5 completely, then unplug the power cable from the back of the console and let it sit for 5 minutes. Unplug your internet router and modem from the wall. Plug the router back in and wait for the internet light to stabilize. Plug your PS5 back in, turn it on and check if your status display correctly. Fourth fix is update your DNS setting. Navigate to setting, then network, then setting. Select setup internal internet connection. Highlight your current network to press the options button. Choose advanced setting. Set DNS setting to manual. Enter primary DNS 8.8.8.8 and secondary DNS 8.8.4.4. Press OK and reconnect. Fifth fix is restore license. Navigate to setting, then users, then account. Select others, then restore license. Wait for the restoration process to complete. Restart your console. Thanks for watching.